Go.
This is the sternum. The first thing you need to know about the sternum is the body, which is this region right here. After the body, we should know the clavicular notch, which is basically the same thing as the clavicular articulation, which is what I would say in the book. And there are these things right here, where like the clavicles would meet. And then
point to them again, though.
These things.
Okay.
Right here.
Okay.
The jugular notch is this one in the center. The manubrium is right here. It's like the middle of like the top part of the sternum. And the last one we need to know is the xiphoid process, which I don't think has it, but
it would be right.
It would be like right here.
It's like just right underneath it. All right.